So I am making baked French toast today. Actually, no, I already made them, but I'm just filming the intro now because I had the best idea to do my intro like Joshua Weissman. So here we go. Hope you like the video. Peace out. Focus. This is what they look like when he makes them. Hopefully we can make it as good as he can. So, Mom, do we have nutmeg?
Ask that like every 2 days.
Oh no! I don't know how I'm supposed to film like this. Okay, I'm gonna listen to music. Fly in my face. Did I get any shell in that? That was not pretty. I didn't even film that. Great. I can't do this. That was not very good. I swear to God, if my camera falls into the eggs one more time.
Next up, we have a very special baking process for French toast. The recipe for this is very similar. In a bowl, add 5 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon or 6 grams of fine sea salt, 2 teaspoons or 6 grams of ground seasoning.
What? Can I just eyeball it? Who cares? Pinch of nutmeg. What the heck is nutmeg? Milk. What does nutmeg look like? Mom, what does nutmeg look like?
That's the nutmeg.
Oh. There's too much fat in this egg. Is it supposed to look like that? That's an ugly piece of croissant, but you know what? It's so cool. They're all beautiful to me. Wow. Oh no, I forgot to put one on. Hello? Wait. The oven is hot. You're gonna burn yourself. Wait. I already took a bite. This is how it looks. It looks really good. I'm going to eat it right now. Ignore the way that I look because I could not care less. But it looks really good. I have maple syrup just in case it's not sweet enough, but ready? Do you want a bite? Here you go. It's really good, isn't it? That's really good. I'm amazing at this. Holy shit, that was so good. So good.